kėlė supelė, kėlė žalių kėlė, dėl ko grinta supelė. Oja, 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 la, la,
Pasisėkite tau. Ačiū. And so, with dawn coming, Rasa reached too close. It's not necessarily over yet, but I had a fun time. And for those who can't be here, well, now you have a little bit of a better idea of what Rasa's like. And maybe some of you will decide that when you have some free time, you will go to Lithuania yourselves and experience this wonderful community. In particular, one of the ones you'd want to look at would be Romuva, which is a continuation